a video on like a baked French onion soup, so kind of like a savoury bread and butter pudding, if that kind of makes sense. I saw maybe I saw a picture on Instagram, and I kind of thought, oh, that's kind of quite interesting, and we'll have a go at that. And it was French onion soup last week, and so I've got some leftovers. So I have strained the onions out of the soup, and I've got the liquid of the soup, and then we've got some croutons of bread which are fried in olive oil, and I've also got a bit of cheese as well. So I'm thinking we'll kind of layer it like you would do a bread and butter pudding, and maybe with some bits of cheese in as well. I don't think I've got some mozzarella, I've got some fried halloumi. Maybe I'll just do the mozzarella in half of it, and then we can see what it's like with and without the cheese, maybe. So I kind of had an idea, and the idea was that I would kind of put the onion on the bread like that, and then we'll kind of think about putting some bits of cheese in as well. So maybe I'll just do this side, do half of it first, and then we'll add the cheese somewhere a bit further down the line. So what did I think? Needs a bit of bread under there. So a bit of bread under there, just to prop that up, and then like that. Because I've strained the onions out of it, because I kind of thought that otherwise it's just going to be, if I put the bread in and then I pour the soup on top, all the onions would be on the top and they would burn. But if we sandwich them in between, it's kind of like the butter bit of the bread and butter. So that's kind of the idea. So do I want to put some halloumi in? No, I don't think I want to put the halloumi in. So I kind of think that I need that just there like that, and then we'll put a bit of cheese in there like that, and then do the next one like that, and another slice of cheese there. I should have bought more cheese today, but they didn't have any mozzarella where I was buying from my friend the cheesemonger, so I couldn't buy any more mozzarella, and I'm not going to brave the supermarkets because it's Christmas Eve, and I really can't be bothered. I spent enough time in the supermarkets and shops this week, so that, and then maybe a small bit there, like that. Get that in there. I think that will work. Do we put a bit? No, we need a bit of cheese in there. So a small bit of cheese in there. Like that. I need another bit of bread there. So I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I was kind of thinking it's not that far removed from onion gravy, which you kind of go onion gravy with cheese. You kind of go, ugh. But there again, French onion soup with cheese, so beefy, soupy with and onions and cheese obviously works, because you get the cheese crouton on top of the cheese, on top of the soup. That there, like that. Another one of those. Another one of those. So it's not a set recipe. I'm just having a play around. It might be nice, it might work, might not. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's another. But I've got the soup, so I might as well use it up. So that in there like that, and just make sure that's a bit better. I think we can squeeze another. Squeeze another one of those in there. That's just a bit higher. So, and then we've got, don't want to put the halloumi in, Yeah, let's put the halloumi in. It's not going to melt like mozzarella, so it might actually be better with. I mean, I don't think we can put that extra bit of toast in there. Well, let's just see how it turns out. Might be horrible. It might just well be horrible. Not there like that. Then, so the bread's crisp, so we need to pour the liquid on and then let it soak into the bread before we bake it. So we're going to put some on, let it soak in, and then add a bit more in a bit. Like that. So we'll just do that. And then we'll see if we can add a bit more in 15 minutes, something like that. We should be able to soak up some of that. So we might be able to add a little bit more liquid. But that's my idea, and then I'm going to bake it in the oven for half an hour at 180, and we'll see how it turns out. And we're going to put cheese on top of it. Probably not, no. But anyway, so we'll be back when we need to add a little bit more of the liquid. I don't think it's going to need any more liquid than that. So let's put it in the oven. We'll put it in the oven and see how it turns out. We can always add a little bit more during the cooking, but I think that's going to be okay. Right, it's ready. Halloumi looks good. The mozzarella has it's done alright actually. It's done alright. How are we going to tackle this? I think like that. Might have been better with a bit of cheese on top. So let's just kind of see. Certainly going to be more substantial with more bread in it. Let's have a taste. Yeah, it's good. It works. It makes French onion soup go further and more substantial. I mean, yeah. I couldn't, it's the type of thing you make at home. I couldn't sell it to anyone, but that's alright. That's alright. That's an extremely cheap meal. Bread and French onion soup. Yeah, that's a winner. How's it taste with halloumi? Better with the mozzarella. There you go. That works.